This is the DreamSky Sleep Sound Machine. It looks wood, but it's plastic. I still appreciate the look. It has a soft mesh on the front. It actually charges with USB-C and it comes with the wall adapter for that. But let me run through some of the sounds for you because that's what you're here for. Lots of white noise. All kinds. Sounds like a stormy night right there. Birds. Crackling fire. That sounds like a city. Ticking clock. Meditation. Heartbeat. Crickets. Lullaby. And that's all of them. I think we went through them. But let's go through the lights now. And you can see they're changing while it's going on. Pretty cool. You get to choose what sound you want and what light you want. Also really like the design. Super small, super chill. Check it out.